Hi guys, this is Moath from JB Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about lesson 14.2 in grade 6 surface area of prisms, page 713. So our objective will be today find the surface area of rectangular and triangular prism. So in this lesson, the most important point we need to focus how to find the surface area of the prisms. What we mean by surface area? Surface area is the sum of the areas of all the faces and the surfaces of the prism. Here I will start. I will start by this example. Here we have a rectangular prism with length of 10 and width of 8 and height of 6. So we have two ways to do this. Either we make it a net or we use a formula. So if we imagine this box, if we imagine this box, it will have, let me say, 6 faces. Here, now I will first use the first way, which is draw a net of the show box and find area of each face, then add the areas. So when we find the net, as I mentioned, this length all will be 10. And the height will be, let me say, 6. And the width will be 8. So in each rectangle, I need to find the area of the rectangle itself by using the length and the width. Here, for example, here, this rectangle is congruent with this rectangle with length of 10 and width of 8. So they both will be 80. And these two rectangles, which we can say the up and down or left and right rectangles, so they have the same area, 10 multiplied 6. So both will be 60. And these two small rectangles will be 6 multiplied 8. Depending on the given lengths, it will be 48. So if we find one area of the two congruent rectangles, we know the area of the second one. By this way, now we add all this, the areas of the faces, then we get the surface area 376 square inches. The other way, using the formula, and I prefer this way, all of the faces of the rectangle prism are rectangles. So here, this is the formula. First, we identify the length and the width and the height. Then we use this formula, which is easier than the previous way, by 2 length width plus 2 width height plus 2 length height. Or we can put 2 outside. So first we multiply the length by the width, which is 80, multiplied by 2, because we have two rectangles of the same measurement. And here width multiply height, so 48 multiply 2, because we have another congruent rectangle to this rectangle. And here length multiply height, which is 60, and multiply by 2 because we have two rectangles of the same measurement. Now we find the products, then we add them, we get the same answer, 376. Now let me show you another example, but this example will be about triangular prism. Here it's different, because in this case we have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. After we make a net, here we don't have a formula, So we need to find area of each rectangle and each triangle. So this, let me say, this rectangle, which is 15 multiply 18, which is length multiply width. So this rectangle is the same, this upper one, which is 15 multiply 18 equals 270. Now the other rectangle, which is 12 multiply 18, because all of the rectangles have the same length. So 12 multiply 18 equals 216. Now the third rectangle, which is from back, this one, which is 18 multiply 9 equals 162. Now we still have to find the area of the triangles. We have two congruent triangles. So the first, the triangle is half base h equals half multiply 9 multiply 12 equals 54. So we need to add them all. 270 plus 162 plus 216 plus 2 multiply 54, because we have two congruent triangles. By this, we come to the end of this lesson, and we have clarified to you how to find the surface area of rectangular prism and triangular prism. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. Thank you very much.